Have you ever wondered why purple cabbage is so beneficial for your health? Often overlooked in the produce aisle, this vibrant vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. Known also as red cabbage, its unique color and crisp texture are just the beginning of what it has to offer. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, purple cabbage is a treasure trove of nutrients that can positively impact your health in numerous ways. So why not take a closer look? Let's dive into the amazing health benefits of purple cabbage. The first benefit of purple cabbage is that it's packed with antioxidants. But what exactly are antioxidants? They're substances that defend our cells against harmful molecules called free radicals. When these free radicals accumulate, they can cause a state known as oxidative stress, linked to chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Purple cabbage is rich in a specific antioxidant called anthocyanins, which give it its distinctive color and help combat this oxidative stress. So by consuming purple cabbage, you're giving your body a natural defense against harmful oxidative stress. Purple cabbage doesn't stop at being rich in antioxidants. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and supports heart health. The antioxidants and phytonutrients found in this vibrant vegetable help in reducing inflammation in the body. This can potentially lower the risk of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. But the benefits don't end there. Purple cabbage also plays a significant role in heart health. It contains compounds like sulforaphane and anthocyanins that may help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Lower cholesterol and regulated blood pressure are key elements in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. These properties are important because inflammation and heart disease are prevalent health concerns today. Incorporating purple cabbage into your diet could be a simple yet effective way to combat these health issues. Thus, purple cabbage is a great addition to your diet if you're looking to support your heart health and reduce inflammation. Moving on, purple cabbage is also beneficial for your digestive health, immune function, and eye health. Let's delve deeper. For digestive health, purple cabbage is a knight in vibrant armor. It's rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Also, it contains glucosinolates, compounds that may offer protection against certain types of digestive cancers. Next up, immune function. Purple cabbage is like your body's personal shield, thanks to its high vitamin C content. This vitamin not only boosts your immune system, helping your body to fight off infections and illnesses, but it also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from free radical damage. When it comes to eye health, purple cabbage doesn't turn a blind eye. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that are beneficial for maintaining healthy vision. They help protect your eyes against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Incorporating purple cabbage into your diet can therefore help you maintain a healthy digestive system, boost your immune function, and protect your eyes. Last but not least, purple cabbage aids in weight management, supports bone health, and promotes skin health. With its low calorie and high fiber content, purple cabbage can be a great addition to a weight management diet. The fiber helps promote feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake, while the nutrients support overall health and well-being. Additionally, purple cabbage contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of purple cabbage may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and improve bone density. Moreover, the antioxidants and vitamin C in purple cabbage promote healthy skin. They protect against UV damage, reduce signs of aging, and promote collagen production, the protein that gives your skin its structure and elasticity. So whether you're trying to manage your weight, keep your bones strong, or maintain healthy skin, purple cabbage can help. To sum it up, purple cabbage is a powerhouse of health benefits. Its vibrant color speaks of the rich antioxidants it harbors, ready to combat oxidative stress. It's a natural anti-inflammatory agent, supporting heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Purple cabbage is a friend to your digestive system, providing fiber for regularity and compounds that protect against certain cancers. Its high vitamin C content strengthens your immune system, while compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin keep your eyes healthy. It's a fantastic addition to a weight management diet, being low in calories and high in fiber. Your bones also benefit from the essential minerals it provides, and your skin will thank you for the antioxidants and vitamin C that fight against UV damage and promote collagen production. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.